Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
Hey, Mike Foster here, having a walk and talk and a versus video. A little windy out, but you know, it's nice. We got a beautiful sky up there. Hope you're enjoying nice weather like I am. Now, I know that the season is past in the United States for football, but I know that they had playoffs recently for European football or soccer. This video is football versus football, also known as soccer. And as you know, that soccer, and we'll use that term in this video to differentiate it between American football. But soccer has been around forever. It's played in every part of the world. It's conceivably the most popular sport in the world. They have the World Cup, which is one of the most popular and crazy events that happens every 4 years. They have fans that go absolutely nuts over their soccer. And why not? It's a fun sport to watch. It's fast. Takes great athletes, amazing footwork, energy, stamina, great goaltenders. Great sport. But then you have football, you have American football, you have the New England Patriots, you have Tom Brady, you have all these great players that have played for years. You have pads and helmets, you have tackling and hitting, you have running and touchdowns and field goals. Doesn't resemble anything about European football or soccer, except that once in a while they do kick that ball in American football. But it's exciting, it's violent. Not to say that soccer doesn't have collisions. Both sports are amazing. And here, instead of the World Cup, we have the Super Bowl once a year. And it's a huge league out here. There's passing, there's running, there's blocking. They're both great sports. Me, I'm a football fan. I like soccer, but it's an easier decision for me because I grew up watching football, not soccer, even though I like soccer. But as playing, it's probably easier to play soccer in terms of getting the crap beat out of you. I'm not saying soccer's an easy sport by far. Soccer's very difficult. Lots of skill. But if you're not good with your feet, let's say you have good hands, you probably want to play football because you can catch the ball or throw it. But in terms of watching it, I pick football over soccer. What do you guys think? Give me some feedback in your comments on which ones do you like and why. Football versus soccer. And for more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. And keep living Life 365. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
I think I just got dizzy walking in a circle. Sweet peppo. How about foot soccer ball?